So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. If you are yet to follow the Telegram channel, I will put the link to the comments in the comment section, and also subscribe so you will not miss out on any updates. Now, if you take a look at what GBP USD is doing, it is kind of the trend. By the way, our main trend on GBP USD is on a downtrend move. I want you to have that in mind that we are still on a downtrend move. Market is still trending to the downside, right? It is still dropping. But when you take a look at what market is doing here, we've gotten a multiple rejection. So this is the first rejection zone, and this is our rejection zone, which is indicating a reversal movement. The market was able to push up and then it pulled back. Market was able to push up one more time, and this is the pullback, right? So with this pullback, we should be expecting GBP USD to push up one more time before it starts dropping. Above all, have it in mind that GBP USD is still on a downtrend move. We are still very much on a bearish move. But right now, with what GBP USD is doing, it is likely to push up one more time and then that sell. And if it does not push up one more time, then the sell is likely to start playing out from this level here. So watch out, right? From any of this level, a sell is coming. Remember, only go ahead and take the sell once you get your sell set up. But with what I am saying, right, based on our daily analysis, GBP USD would most likely going to give us some more movement, which will be bullish moves. So personally, I would say that you should be anticipating for a bullish move on your GBP USD. Because if you take a look at this, this is also likely to be a rejection zone whereby markets will start pushing up again till it comes to tap this low high here. So guys, a bullish move is what we should be expecting on GBP USD. If there are any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on the subscribe button.